In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drill downs in a Looker Studio report. Drill downs let your viewers start with a high-level view and then progressively reveal more detail in the same chart. It keeps your report clean and interactive, and it helps people answer follow-up questions without jumping to a different page. Think of it like peeling back layers. You begin broad, then dive deeper only when it's useful. Start by selecting the visual you want to make interactive. Click directly on the chart or graph where you want the drill down behavior. This ensures Looker Studio knows exactly which component you're editing. Most charts that use dimensions, like bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and tables, can support drill downs, but the concept is the same no matter which visual you choose. Once the chart is selected, look to the right side of the screen. The Properties panel will appear, and this is your control center for formatting and data settings. If you don't immediately see the options you expect, confirm that the chart is still selected. The Properties pane dynamically reflects whatever component is active on the canvas. In the Properties, enable the drill down option. When you switch it on, you'll be prompted to add dimensions for the drill down. These are the fields that define each level of detail your viewers can explore. Order matters here because Looker Studio will follow the sequence you set. Place the broadest dimension first and the most granular last. For example, you might arrange geography as country, then region or state, then city. For time analysis, a common sequence is year, quarter, month, then day. For product analysis, you could use category, subcategory, and product. The key is that each level should naturally roll up to the one above it. Choose dimensions from the same data source and make sure they relate logically. If a field doesn't group cleanly under another, for instance, mixing unrelated categories, your drill down may feel confusing. Clear naming also helps readers understand where they are as they move through levels of detail. After you've enabled drill down and added your dimensions in the right order, you're done. The chart now supports interactive exploration without cluttering the page. This small setup step can dramatically improve how viewers analyze trends, spot outliers, and find answers at their own pace. And there you go. That's all it takes to add drill downs in a Looker Studio report. By selecting the chart, confirming its properties, enabling drill down, and arranging your dimensions, you've created a smarter, more intuitive experience for your audience.